Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download all your information on Facebook. To do that, you open your Facebook app, navigate to your settings, click on Account Center, click on Your Information and Permissions, click on Download Your Information, click on Download or Transfer Information. Now select the account you want to download the information from. Click on Next. Now if you want to download a specific type of information, let's say you just want to download only photos or message or just data logs, you use the bottom one that says specific type of information. But if you want to download pretty much everything, use the top one, download available informations. You now have two options here: download to device or transfer to a destination. Click on download to device. Now you can click on the duration you want to download, for the last 3 years or for the last 6 months, depending on your choice. Click on create files. Your information is being prepared for download. Now it's going to tell you your information is being processed. So today is April 6th. You have to come back here to download your information. It will take like, let's say 24 hours. You can come back here and download all your information. So that's how you download the information on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.